The history of the periodic table reflects over a century of growth in the understanding of chemical properties. The most important event in its history occurred in 1869, when the table was published by Dmitri Mendeleev. So today, let's recall the history and development of periodic table. Before written history, people were aware of some of the elements such as gold, silver, copper, lead, tin, and mercury in the periodic table. However, in 1649, the first element, phosphorus, was discovered through scientific inquiry by Hennig Brand, and 63 elements had been discovered till 1869. As the number of known elements increases, scientists began to recognize patterns in properties and began to develop classification schemes. These schemes are Law of Triads, Law of Octaves, and Mendeleev's periodic table. Döbereiner, a German chemist, in 1817, made first attempt towards classification as Law of Triad. He arranged the elements having similar properties in a group of 3 triad and showed that the atomic mass of the middle element is arithmetic mean of the atomic masses of the other 2 elements. In 1865, an English chemist, John Newlands, gave law of octaves and observed that when the elements are arranged in the increasing order of atomic masses, the properties of the every 8th element are similar to first element. In 1869, a Russian chemist, Dmitri Mendeleev, classified the various elements on the basis of a law called Mendeleev periodic law, which states that the physical and chemical properties are the periodic function of their atomic masses. Lothar, Meyer, and Dmitri Ivanovich Mendeleev independently produced remarkably similar versions of the periodic table of elements at essentially the same time. Dmitri Mendeleev organized the elements into a table according to their atomic mass. He gave an organization based on a popular card game, Solitaire. Each card had the element's name, mass, and properties. He lined up the cards in order of increasing mass. He placed elements with similar properties in the same column. In year 1913, Henry Moseley, English scientist, changed the arrangement of the periodic table. Instead of by increasing atomic mass, it was arranged by increasing atomic number. Modern periodic law states that the physical and chemical properties are the periodic function of their atomic numbers. The modern periodic table is divided into periods and groups. 7 horizontal groups in the periodic table are called periods and are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The vertical columns in the periodic table are called groups. There are 18 groups in the periodic table. Group 1 elements are called alkali metals. Group 2 elements are called alkaline earth metals. Group 18 elements are called noble gases. Group 17 elements are called halogens. Group 16 elements are called chalcogens. Group 1 and 2 are present on extreme left, and 13 to 18 are present on extreme right side of the periodic table, while groups 3 to 12 are present at the middle of periodic table. There are 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block, and F block.